I wanted to do a little update on the Comet because I discovered a few things as I had been working on the machine. The flippers, the mechanisms on those were wearing out, which is why in the previous video this flipper on the right barely moved at all, and that made it really difficult to go up the ramp. So I bought brand new replacement flippers and mechanisms, and these are working much better now. Also, I discovered that on the exit for the ramp there was a switch that wasn't connecting. So when I would go up the switch, when I would go up the ramp and around here and it would come out, these lights wouldn't advance. They're supposed to go from 30 to 50 to 100, and when you hit the 100 it lights up the extra ball over here. So if you go up the corkscrew ramp you get an extra ball. That was never happening because this switch was dead. So I fixed that. Also, the ramp itself, the posts were coming loose, so it was really more difficult than it should have been to get up this ramp. The ramp would shake a little bit as it tried to go up and it would just come right back out. So I fixed that. Also, I discovered a different thing on the rule set. If you drop these targets and drop these targets, obviously it lights up the Comet ramp, but if you drop them both again, it then lights up the extra ball in here, and no matter if the 20, 50, and 200,000 lights are lit, the extra ball is lit, and it's random, so it cycles through, and if you happen to hit the appropriate hole in this little skee ball area over here for the cycle jump, you will get an extra ball from that as well. So a couple little different things I found out about the rules. And let's just play one game so I can show you how this thing is supposed to work when everything's working the way it should. All right, that was a great first ball, wasn't it? All right, let's try this again. And you can see it makes it up the ramp a lot easier now. Okay, so there's the rabbits done. And there's the duck bonus. So now, now you'll see the lights advance there. And there's the extra ball lit. And there's the last 100,000. So that allows you to get points really well. And that is, once you get the 1986 lit, that gives you a really big bonus here as you go through. So. And I dumped that one out. So now I should be able to light the million. Oh, that didn't work. Let's see if I can get an extra ball. You notice also that the special is lit over there. Of course, on this particular game, the special doesn't do anything because all games are special. So second time through, I've now lit this up again. Let me see if I can get up the ramp. Hey, come on. Turkey. Hey, turkey. Hey. Really not making the shots I want to make here. There we go. I got the extra ball, but I blew the million because I knocked all the 1986 out and then drained. There's the million.
Hey, come on, turkey.
And there we have the million, finally. Now let's see if I can get back up the ramp. There we go. That sound is indicating that I'm resetting. Excuse me. Resetting the ramp there. Ah. Not bad, 2,400. So that's the way the Comet should work.